everybody, my name is Shalice and I'm visiting Jacksonville, Florida, and I wanted to do a really quick Airbnb tour. I have become very anti-hotel lately because I like space and I don't like being confined to a really small area. And I've also found that if you like to swim or you like jacuzzis and gyms, you can get all that a lot of the times in an Airbnb. Unfortunately, mine does not have that right now, but I absolutely love the space. So if you bear with me, I'm gonna go through this very quickly because I have some more to be. So let's get into it. I'm starting from the front door, and as soon as you walk in, it says hello there. And then you walk in all the way, and this is what you see. As soon as you walk in, and I'm gonna take you all the way up. The ceilings are 21 feet high. Like, just absolutely amazing. I love the wrought iron on the stairs. It's just amazing. You have to excuse me, I was curled up on the couch and watching Netflix. So it's just an amazing space. I love that she has real plants in here, real greenery. She has a little open bar here. And she also told me, the owner also told me that this turns into a twin bed if you have extra guests. So that's also amazing. Now, the kitchen, let me get a wide angle on the kitchen. The kitchen's really nice, it's really spacious. I love the beams and the exposed ductwork. It's really, really nice. And she also left a sweet letter as well. Don't mind my bag and my charger. And there were snacks, more snacks than this in here. She had like granola bars and all that stuff. Being the fat kid that I am, I ate it all already. So, kitchen is really, really nice. Oh, I was drinking pineapple juice. But anyways, very nice, very, very nice. And we also have the half bath. Hey y'all. Hey. Anyway, you got a half bath here. It's cute. I like this little wall mirror there, but we have a half bath. Let me back it on now. Let me turn that light off as well. And this is just the epitome of just greatness. It's absolutely beautiful. It's just beautiful. You walk in and you see the windows, the ceiling, the fans, you know. It's extremely bright outside right now. It's just amazing. So I'm excited. I really, really love this space. Really, really love this space. So now I'm going to take you upstairs. We are about to run up the steps here. So let's go. And here we meet the landing, and here is the upstairs. Look how nice this is. I guess I could turn on the light. Very nice. It's well decorated, and I really enjoyed this. If you, I got it stuck. If you don't like sunlight, you can pull these curtains. If I can get a wide angle, you can pull these curtains all the way across. How dope is that? It's amazing. It's amazing. But for video purposes, I'm gonna push it back. And here is the view from the top of the loft. I love it. And I love that there's a palm tree right outside there. It's amazing. Really nice. And this is a day bed, but it also has a trundle in it, which means a bed rolls from underneath it as well. I'm out of breath running up and down them steps. And then we have, let's turn that fan on. There we go. Then we have the main bathroom with the shower. You have to excuse all my things, but we have the main bathroom with the shower. It's so decent, and it came with body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So it's a really nice, simple, and functional bathroom. Here I am again. Hey, here I am again. Hey. But anyway, that is pretty much it. It's very nice. There is a walk-in closet that I'm probably not going to utilize. Oh, I left the light on. I just put my luggage in the floor. It's a mess, but we have a nice walk-in closet. Oh, extra lighting and pillows if you need it. Dressers, a little small dresser. Then we have this big dresser here. But I love the bed. It's extremely comfortable. Oh, and I also need to point out that she has earplugs up here because I'm not far from downtown, and there's also a little pub bar across the street, so I assume they're loud, but I'm not here on the weekend, so there's that. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching my videos. Stay tuned for more videos. I plan on doing hair, travel, lifestyle, and health videos, so if any of that interests you, please subscribe down below and hit the thumbs up button, and please turn on your notifications so you do not miss another video. Thank you so much, y'all, and have a great day.